Hey guys, Brendan Barnes here from REI Live Atlanta, and I'm super excited to bring a multifamily generational wealth building superstar to our event. It's going to be May 21st. We got Mr. Don Baker is going to be speaking, but I don't want to put words in your mouth. What are you going to be sharing with our crowd?
What I'm going to talk about primarily is building generational wealth. Talking about actually being active in your community wherever you are and engaging and building generational wealth. The knowledge of real estate combined with government, administration, politics, long-term wealth is going to allow you to hold assets long-term and have a passive stream of income. I built a portfolio of over 500 units, and I want to tell people how I was able to do that exact thing and how you can start on your journey to building generational wealth.
Yes, man. Look, we are super excited again, May 21st. Don't want to miss this. Peace.